Hiya, we're going to do a quick walk around of our recently restored Maserati Sebring Series II. It's a 1965 car, right-hand drive, so quite rare. I think they made about 98 of these cars with the 3.7 litre six-cylinder engine. We've actually done an engine rebuild on this car as well. The car came in green, but originally it was blue, so we've restored it back to its original colour. And we've also re-chromed a lot of the chrome work, restored the wheels, done quite a bit of work on the interior. So I'll pop the bonnet and we'll have a look inside the engine bay. So everything in here is all original now. We've restored it all back exactly as it should be. This is a twin spark engine, so it's got 2 plugs per cylinder. We've refurbished all of the ignition system. We've completely rebuilt the injection unit and recalibrated it, which is quite a tricky thing. They're very, very fiddly to get right, and you have to really know what you're doing. We've done a full engine rebuild on this one, so it's had all new pistons, all new liners, new gaskets throughout, new bearings, the works, and it's running quite sweetly at the moment. Okay, let's see what this thing sounds like. So our sister company, Turrino Wheels, they refurbished the wheels for us. These wheels actually had about 5 or so broken spokes in them, so they've been quite abused. So it's had all new spokes, the rim's been polished, and they've been rebuilt and balanced, and they're working perfectly now. Okay, so inside the car, we've refurbished the steering wheel, that was broken. We've replaced all of the switches and gauges that weren't operating properly, done a little bit of rewiring, and we've treated all the leather, but we've tried to keep everything completely original as possible, repairing things rather than replacing them to keep this like a genuine original car. And I think it looks quite good. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video. If you're interested in the car, it's actually for sale. There's a link to that in the description below. And if you want to watch more videos like this, be sure to follow us on our socials.